prepares for the fight.
I've got everything you need.
It's only over when it's over.
Good day to take out some fools and be back in time for dinner. I got pork chops tonight. Yeah.
Yo. Yeah, sorry, I don't have a mic for my controller, so I use my phone.
You use the Xbox app?
Yeah.
That works. Yeah, one of my friends did it. That worked.
I say we left here. This is the best part.
We die, no turning back.
I like practicing, but I'm not like super good.
Neither am I.
Trying. I have nothing to play. Shit, all my friends play this shit. Literally everybody at work plays this shit.
And you're just over here like, I never played this before.
Like, I've been playing for like a month.
I like barely just started. Yeah.
Attention.
That was hella trash right there. Hella trash.
First blood.
I'm just at least trying to get to Octane.
No, I think it's hella cool. I want to.
Helmet here. Level 2.
You're gonna buy them first.
Eva 8 here.
Oh shit, it's right there.
Watch out. His other teammates are here too.
Oh yeah, this is the whole shit.
Champion out. Good work.
Shouldn't land here if you don't know how to play, buddy.
Reloading.
Alright, I got someone down.
What else do you play?
And sometimes I'll play Fortnite.
Killed an enemy.
I'm fucking trash. Hella trash. I like Fortnite, honestly. I like the they add all this random shit to it. I fucking suck.
Yeah.
So like I suck. Fortnite's like hard for me. I don't know. It has a big learning curve, I guess. What's this? Longbow? Watch out. Okay. What's up over here?
Let's go. Let's see if he has my ammo. Damn it, he doesn't have my ammo. Fuck. Jack is gun.
Heavy? Yeah, they have the flatline. I fucking love that gun.
Yeah.
That's like the best gun. Yeah, it's like the best gun for me. The flatline, I like the hammer. Everything heavy, except for the big one. I don't know. The fucking light machine gun, I guess.
Yeah, this was my first time getting the light line or whatever. And dude, I already killed one person already with it. Cause like I killed a health line person.
Just get the extended mag and it gets way better.
Heavy ammo here.
You'll find it somewhere.
Heavy rounds. I could take that.
That's what you need.
Yeah, I'm gonna take that and then go back and get the fucking flatline.
Helmet here. Level 2.
Ooh, ow, this lag. Ooh, this lag.
Yeah, just give me lag. It's good fun.
Oh, fuck. That was hell lag.
Earlier it was lagging. I got this shit for a while. That helps.
No, like, I was legit just, like, stuck in midair. Where did we kill him at? I can't remember. Fuck it.
Might be something good this way.
I'm right behind. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. It's clean. No one's right here. Perfect. It's high tier.
No, there's free. There's people.
But this side is okay, I heard Raid.
That was me.
Oh, wait, that's you. Gotcha. Oh, wait, you're close. Oh, wait, okay.
Yeah, the fucking legendary fucking kid took my skin. How does that work? Like, ooh! I like this gun. But I'm about to die. Oh shit! And it's like they have like, it's like there's like 4 different fucking squads just like teaming up together.
Yeah, that's like this button.
No, oh shit, no, you're dead. Shit, we're all dead. Good game. GG.
I'm just really just like leveling the battle pass. It sucks though, it doesn't really have nothing cool.
True.
Sure. I still bought it, so
I didn't buy it. I don't want to, but I'm just gonna wait to get to, what was it, tier 48 to get Octane.
you have to level 48 to have them.
Yeah. You have to get to tier 48. Or you could just buy him. I swear, if this person takes my fucking character.
So what?
Use Wraith all that?
Oh, thank God. Yeah, I know Bloodhound. I know how to use his special and shit. Yeah, if you want to like get good at the character, you have to like learn the basics of them, like how to use their powers and at the right time.
Yeah, the one you're using has like this UAV shit.
No, we're not gonna make that shit.
Oh, we just need a footsteps and all that shit.
Yeah, that's kind of why I like them. Going down there. Yeah, I like to separate because then you'll like land faster. Yeah, like in that last game when I separated against, apart from you guys, like usually I'll separate. Yeah, like usually I'll separate and then like meet up with you guys.
Like I play with I don't fuck your friends over it, but like me and my friends like we take it serious sometimes. But mostly we just do this shit like for fun.
Yeah.
But we win sometimes we win. Not bad. Not that bad. Where are you from?
California.
Oh really? You're close. Yeah, I'm not from Seattle. I'm
We're in
living
the next
here.
ring. I smell victory. It smells Cali.
I'm from Puerto Rico.
Whatever.
Shit, how much game? Yeah.
Found the fucking epic shield.
It was Freddy. Oof, thanks. 24, alright.
Thank you.
The bullets.
Damn, bro, I have a lot of those. Shit. You're using? What weapons are you using now?
Guys, I still
No,
have
that's a piece of shit. Don't ever use that.
the pistol shotgun.
I mean, yeah, like, I always miss too. I don't know. I just suck with it. Yeah, I just suck with it.
I just basically try and find guns that I could use my skins for it. Like my skin wraps. I like that gun.
I have a skin wrap for each gun, alright? I'm just playing enough.
I don't yet. I have
I think
a few.
Except, I don't know, yeah, except like 2.
Did you know if you push the melee? Did you know if you push a melee weapon on a door, you like fucking FBI open up that shit?
Hey, fucking kick that shit out.
And then you like separate it.
You get like hella, like, you can just like completely destroy the door.
Yeah.
And grenades too. If the door is closed, and we throw a grenade inside, you close the door and bring someone to the door.
Hold on, let's try that. Let's try that.
Strategy, maybe.
Let's take that.
I'm not good at strategy. I just
Grenade set.
Oh shit. It actually blew open.
Yeah, like a fucking cool. That's cool. That's a good idea. If people are camping in, like throw a grenade and then close the door, maybe. I think that would work.
Yeah. It depends
And
if
then the door pops open.
it depends if they have like fast reflexes enough to like get out of there.
Yeah, exactly. And if they get out, you can just gang them from behind. That's pretty much what you want them to get out.
Yeah, like have like 2 people on each side of the doors and be like, FBI, open up! Fucking throw a grenade in there, be like, fucking,
Yeah.
like breach the door totally.
That's your leader. Call him if you spot him.
I hate sniper scopes.
I love sniper scopes.
I suck. This game, I've noticed that you have to confirm kills.
Body shield here.
Thanks.
Oh, fuck, I love this. This is my baby.
The Peacekeeper.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the Peacekeeper. Peacekeeper is pretty OP.
Fucking, it destroys people, bro. I just want to, like, wingman. Do you want it?
Take that shit.
Wingman here.
The wingman?
That shit's hella good.
How much ammo does it have? No,
Have you
how
used
about
it?
so yeah, I'm
That's the revolver of the game. It's fucking hardcore. It's the strongest weapon in the game, pretty much. I mean, I don't think it's
Let's
stronger
hear
than the sniper rifle, like the legendary one, but it has this attachment called Skull Piercer, something like that. That makes the headshots even stronger, and the headshots are fucking like 90 each hit.
How much